Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Paper Plot. So today I'm going to do an unhaul video. I wanted to shoot this video from outside where there is so much light, but there is some construction works going on in my neighborhood. So I'm doing this from my room. So please excuse me for the lights and also the background. So without further ado, let's get started. So coming back to the video, I have purchased 6 books for reasonably lower price from bookchore.com. So I have been using it for a longer time now. Like I bought books from bookchore and I was satisfied with it. So I ordered a couple of them recently. So I opened the package already because I couldn't control my excitement, and also there is a replacement policy, so I wanted to check if the books are in good condition. If I'm not satisfied with the condition of the book, I can replace it also. So because of that reason I opened it already, but I will be showing it for you guys, because if you want to buy books from any website other than Amazon or Flipkart, then please do check out bookchore.com, because you get very like the books for very cheaper price. So I bought all used books, but still they are in good condition. So see, the package was good and there is no damage or such. So I bought this 3 book, like Shopaholic series of Sophie Kinsella. This 3 books I bought it for 150 rupees. So this like 50 each. These are old books, but still they are in very readable condition. And also I haven't read a Sophie Kinsella book. Like I wanted to try them for a long time. My friend recommended it very long back. Like she told it is very funny and very good, like feel good book, but I haven't got a time yet. So this is like 3 books from the whole bunch of Shopaholic series. So I'll be purchasing the others also, so that I can start from the first one itself. She told it is better to read from the start itself rather than like going from the middle, even though they are equally like a standalone only, but still they are part of the series. Now coming back to other books, I have bought 3 other books. This is The Impossible Fairy Tale by Han Yu-ju. This book, I don't know why I bought it. Like the cover looks good, right? Like there is some blood on it, like a butterfly, and there is blood on the butterfly. So I thought like it was interesting, like when I saw it, and also I read the premise and it is also like intriguing. So I thought to buy this book. I bought it for a lower price, like around 100 or something. I bought this book for 100 rupees. So the next is, I bought one non-fiction book, Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus by John Gray. This is a non-fiction book. I haven't read a single non-fiction book yet. Like I found it too much boring than fictional book, but they are so much helpful for us, like in our growth, and there are so many self-help books. So it's a must to read, but still I haven't read. So some of them recommended some books to me and I bought it I bought already, but I haven't read it. So this is about some communication and relationship between male and female. So I think everyone should read such a book. We have to figure out, there will be so many relationship issues in everyone's life. So for them this is a must read. Like we get to know about how female and male differ from each other. The next is All These Beautiful Strangers. So see the cover of this book, so good, right? Like the texture is also so good. So I bought it because you see these women and all. So I bought this book because this is a thriller. So I wanted to buy a thriller book. I haven't read I haven't bought a thriller book recently, so I bought it. And this I got it for 120 rupees, so reasonable, right? So, and you see the side of the book also, it's beautiful. And I don't know much about the story, some kind of family thriller, so I'm looking forward to reading it. So these are the 6 books I bought from bookcho.com, and I'll be reading them and reviewing them for you guys. Okay, so I got another package from amazon.com. Like I got it early in the morning today. So when I woke up I saw this package and I was so excited to open it, but still I was controlling my excitement so that I can like show you guys how it is. And this I bought it from Amazon, and I was like literally I was investigating a lot to buy this book, because it's not a book, it's a book set. So I was investigating a lot. I would check every single day to buy it, like, and now the great sale is going on, so I thought of buying it, and I checked the price, and the price was lower than it was, so I bought it immediately. And I'm so excited because I don't know why I am so excited. So you see, I think it is like this. So let's open this. I'll show you guys how it is. So let's open it. Now can you see, this is the Harry Potter series. Like I wanted to buy this is the complete collection. Like it contains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 books, whole Harry Potter series. So I bought it for around 2000 I guess, and it was before 2750, so I think I bought it for reasonable price. Okay, this is so heavy, like you can see the cover is so beautiful, and this is all are packed in paperback condition, and I checked it thoroughly, it's in good condition. So please, if you are looking forward to buy this collection, then this is the perfect time for you. Go check out in Amazon. I don't know if it is sold out or not, but it is a good deal. It have like some credit card discounts and all, so please check this. I'm so excited. Okay, I have seen this series like on a lower price in many Instagram, many booksellers text me saying like this is available for 1800 1500 and all, but I didn't wanted to take a risk. Previously I bought some books like that from a unknown website, and I got cheated, like I got pirated books. So from Amazon I can trust, so that's why I didn't buy from any website. So if you are also looking forward to buy, don't buy it from any random website and all. Please buy it from Amazon or Flipkart or any trustable source where, and also if you can see some customer details or reviews, then please buy from there, because you can check out all the reviews and rating also. So that's all for today. I'll be coming with the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.